How to solve 3 power x plus 9 power x is equal to 27 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 27 power x in both sides. So divided by 27 power x divided by 27 power x divided by 27 power x. Now this will be cancelled. So here on. Now we see x same power but different ways. So remember this exponential. We get a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, I can write here 3 alpha 27, then bracket common power x plus here I can apply again this rule. So I can write here 9 alpha 27, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now we have 3 divided by 3, that means it will be 1. 27 divided by 3, that means it will be 9. Then 9 divided by 9, that means it will be 1. 27 divided by 9, that means it will be 3. So we have 1 over 9, then bracket power of x plus 1 over 3 bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 bracket power 2. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power n bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power n. So according to this rule, I can write here 1 by 3 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 plus 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 3 bracket power x, 1 by 3 bracket power x, both terms the same. So let 1 by 3 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now I can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, b is as on. After that c is as negative on. Now we can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means on, then plus or minus the square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative on, then divided by 2 times a, that means on. Now we can write here y is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as on, minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times on, that means 4, divided by 2 times on 2. Now I see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus on plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus on minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that let 1 by 3 bracket pi x is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 over 3 bracket pi x. So y, that means 1 over 3 bracket pi x, then is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus on divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 3 bracket pi x is equal to minus on minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now I see 1 by 3 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 3 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 1 by 3 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. X, this power x move to the base, so it will be x log of 1 by 3. Now we need the value of x divided by log of 1 by 3 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 3 divided by log of 1 by 3. So this log of 1 by 3, this log of 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this divided by this. That means it will be saying that log of a square root of 5 minus 1 alpha 2, then base of 1 by 3. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 18 plus 4 to the power 18 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 18, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 18 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 18 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 18, that means 36 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so you can write here 2 to the power 36 plus 1, that means 37. So 2 to the power 37 is the correct answer.